Welcome to Study Physics. In today's lecture, we will be continuing our chapter 12 from H.C. Verma book and chapter 12, that is SHM. So our today's first question will be question number 44. So in question 44, what is asked is a simple pendulum of length 1 feet suspended from the ceiling of an elevator takes pi by 3 seconds to complete one oscillation. Find the acceleration of the accelerator. Okay, so here the time period of the pendulum given is, so time period of the pendulum given is, that is pi by 3 seconds. So fine, and the length of pendulum, that is 1 feet. So length of the pendulum given is 1 feet. Find the acceleration of the elevator. So if this is the time period of that pendulum, then by that time we are asked about the acceleration of the elevator. So in this question it is not mentioned whether the accelerator is going up or down, so we will assume that for our case the elevator is going up. So we consider that the elevator is going up. So like that, if suppose the accelerator is going up with the acceleration of a0, and this is suppose the pendulum suspended from the ceiling of the elevator, so by that time a pseudo force will act in this particular direction and acceleration will be like this. Okay, so this is the situation for the pendulum. Now the net acceleration, that is the net acceleration here will be g plus of a0. So this is going to be the net acceleration for the pendulum. So if we are asked about the time period, so we can write the time period will be 2 pi under root L by a net, or net acceleration. So a net will be like g plus of a0. Now we have to be conscious about the thing that here the time period is fine, that is in pi by 3 seconds, so no issue with time period, but the issue is that the length is given in feet. So we have to consider the acceleration in terms of feet per second square, not in the terms of meter per second square. So we can consider it like 1 foot will be equals to approx 0.304 meter, and from that we can convert meter in terms of foot. So 9.8 meter per second square in terms of meter gets converted to approx 32 feet per second square. So like that, this is the value of g. So we can consider here like this, that length is 1 meter. So length is here 1 meter, and the value of g is going to be 32 plus of a0 I have to calculate. So by that time we can see that pi and pi get cancels. So 1 by 6 value is equals to under root 1 plus 32, 1 by 32 plus of a0. So this is going to be our value. So now if we square the things, by that time what we will be getting is 1 by 36 will be equals to 32 plus of a0. So by that time a0 plus of 32 will be equals to 36. So a0 value will be 4 feet or 4 foot per second square. So we can write like that. So this is going to be our answer. So this should be the answer for question number 44.